Hi, welcome back Next Tech Spark.
Mastering the masking tools in Capcut on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through everything you need to know about the masking tools in Capcut on PC. Masking is a powerful feature that allows you to create unique transitions, blend multiple clips, and add stunning effects to your edits. I'll break down each masking tool step by step, showing you how to use them effectively to take your videos to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your editing skills, this guide will help you master masking like a pro. So stay tuned and let's dive right in.